Decision podcasts by the New York Prosecutors Training Institute are made possible by VoicePods. Convert your text to voice at voicepods.com. Read this decision at NYPTI Law. www.nypti.org/law.
People v. Santino Guerra, decided on March 16, 2023. Memorandum. The order of the Appellate Division should be affirmed. We are asked once again to discard the rule recognized in People v. Rodawald and People v. Miller that precludes the admission of prior violent acts of victims in cases where a claim of justification is made, unless the defendant was aware of the specific acts at the time of the assault. See People v. Watson, matter of Robert S. We decline to do so. Defendant stabbed the victim in the chest with a small knife, causing life-threatening injuries. At trial, the court determined that defendant was entitled to raise a justification defense. Defendant sought to introduce evidence of the specific violent conduct underlying 4 of the victim's prior youthful offender adjudications to prove that the victim was the initial aggressor with respect to deadly physical force. See People v. Brown. Supreme Court, in accordance with Miller, prohibited the jury from considering that evidence for that purpose. The Appellate Division affirmed. Youthful offender status provides youth 4 key benefits: relief from a record of a criminal conviction, reduced sentences, privacy from public release of the youth's name pending the youthful offender determination on misdemeanor offenses only, and confidentiality of the youthful offender record. Youthful offender designations are given to those who have a real likelihood of turning their lives around, and the protection gives these individuals the opportunity for a fresh start, without a criminal record. People v. Rudolph. Given these policy concerns, we see no reason to revisit the Miller rule in this case. Defendant's additional challenge to the constitutionality of the Miller rule is without merit. See Williams v. Lord. Order affirmed. In a memorandum, Acting Chief Judge Canatero and Judges Garcia, Singas and Troutman concur. Judge Wilson dissents in an opinion, in which Judge Rivera concurs. Decided March 16, 2023.
Decision podcasts by the New York Prosecutors Training Institute are made possible by VoicePods. Convert your text to voice at voicepods.com. Read this decision at NYPTI Law. www.nypti.org/law.